How to fix Facebook stories could not load. Please try again issue. Let's get started. First of all, check your internet connection, whether you have stable internet connection or not. Launch your settings, navigate to the option of Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, what you want to do is clear cache for the Facebook. For that, launch your Facebook, navigate to the menu page, click on the settings icon. Now here you're going to find an option. Click on the option browser. Click on the option clear for cache and cookies. Click on clear. Likewise, update your Facebook. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now search for the app Facebook. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, your problem might be fixed. If still you are getting the issue, what you have to do is launch your Facebook, navigate to the menu page, then scroll down, click on the option Help and Support, click on Report a Problem, click on Continue to Report, click on Don't Include. Now choose the feature Stories. And now here you have to briefly explain about the issue that Facebook stories are not loading and send it. With that, Facebook support team will get back to you. With this solution, your Facebook stories will load. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.